Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Claude AI application. So first of all, launch Claude app on your mobile devices. Now, once you come here, you can either continue signing in with your Google account, or else you could simply enter your email in this field over here. Then tap on this arrow button given. After this, in order to finish signing in, make sure you check your email and enter the code in this field. So you will be getting an email like this. Then simply tap on sign in to Claude.ai. Once you do so, you will successfully be able to log in or sign in to your Claude account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.